What's up guys? All good? My name is Jack. In this video I will tell you everything you need to know about the BioLean before you buy the product. I also have some important warnings for you, so it's extremely important that you watch this video until the end so you don't lose your money. The first point of attention is, be careful with the website where you are going to buy the product, because today this product is only sold on the official website. So to help you, I left the official website link below in the video description and also in the first comment. I'm here in the corner of the screen doing this review to tell you my experience and help you know if the BioLean works. What is BioLean? BioLean is a weight loss supplement that has gained popularity in the health and wellness industry. This innovative product combines natural ingredients to support weight management goals effectively. BioLean works by boosting metabolism, suppressing appetite, and promoting fat burning, making it an ideal choice for those looking to shed excess pounds. The unique blend of ingredients in BioLean helps to enhance energy levels, increase focus, and improve overall well-being. By incorporating BioLean into a healthy lifestyle routine that includes proper nutrition and regular exercise, individuals can experience enhanced weight loss results. With its scientifically formulated ingredients and proven track record of success, BioLean offers a safe and effective way to support weight loss goals. Whether you are looking to kickstart your weight loss journey or maintain your current progress, BioLean can be a valuable addition to your wellness regimen. How does BioLean works? BioLean is a cutting-edge dietary supplement that harnesses the power of natural ingredients to support weight management and overall wellness. The key to how BioLean works lies in its unique blend of herbs, vitamins, and minerals that work synergistically to boost metabolism, curb cravings, and promote energy levels. One of the primary mechanisms through which BioLean supports weight management is by increasing thermogenesis in the body. This means that it helps to raise your core body temperature, leading to more calories being burned throughout the day. Additionally, BioLean contains ingredients that help to suppress appetite and reduce cravings for unhealthy foods, making it easier to stick to a healthy eating plan. Moreover, BioLean includes essential nutrients like vitamin B6 and B12 that play a crucial role in converting food into energy. By supporting these metabolic processes, BioLean helps you feel more energized and focused throughout the day, making it easier to stay active and maintain a healthy lifestyle. In conclusion, BioLean offers a holistic approach to weight management by addressing multiple aspects of health simultaneously. By incorporating this innovative supplement into your daily routine alongside a balanced diet and regular exercise, you can take proactive steps towards achieving your wellness goals effectively.